Hey guys, NV here, and in this video, I want to show you how to export and import your presets in Photoshop. To do this, we need to go up to the Edit and the Tools bar, click it, go all the way down to Presets, Export/Import Presets, and right here is your Import Preset Manager. Obviously, we have no presets here to export or import, so we need to select the folder to import. So if this was a folder we had our presets stored, we would click OK and they would appear here. And as the tooltip applies, you can double click them and that would add it to import, or select the file you wanted, click the arrow here, or click add all. And once they're here, you would say import presets. In the export presets, it's pretty much the same way. Instead of coming into Photoshop, we're going to be saving them out of Photoshop, or exporting as the name applies. Double click the file you want, or select, click the arrow as I demonstrated earlier, or select add all. And then you would simply click export preset, select the folder you want, choose select folder, and that's it. But I'm going to go ahead and remove them all. I don't want to export these. I'm going to show you how it would be in CS6. We would again go to Edit, all the way down to Presets once more, Preset Manager. And in Preset Type, you would usually have a list of different presets here. You would select the one you wanted, click Load, select the file you would like, click Load again, and they would appear here, and done. That's pretty much it. That wraps the video up on importing and exporting your presets in Photoshop. And until next time, I will see you in another video.